Hello folks, this is Sammy here with RV Ready in Lake Elsinore. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2024 East to West Della Terra 181 BHLE. As you can see, this is an 8-foot wide coach. It's short. We'll see the tags in a minute. A rear window, outside shower, tankless water heater, spare tire, and we have the LCI prep for ladder, prep for camera as well. I want you to notice how big the slide out is. It's a lot of room inside for that, so I want to just try to squeeze around here and see this storage magnetic hold. And it is a fairly nice and very clean on the inside. Look at that, it's all finished. You don't see any wood. And this is the solar panel controller. It's got a 200-watt solar panel on it. Let's see, this is a 4,752 pounds and it is 24 foot long. GVW is 5695. So let's go inside. Oh, that is the battery disconnect switch right there. Forgot to show you that. So I'm gonna go inside. And to the right is a queen bed. Very nice. Fairly deep, like 44-inch dinette. That's 2 full-size adults can sit on it, no problem. Countertop is decent for the size of the coach. We have a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink. And let's see, what do we got here? Okay, we got these made out of real wood with ball bearing glides. 12-volt refrigerator, big one. 2 double-sized bunks, one on top, one on the bottom. The one on the bottom does have a window, the one on top does not, unfortunately. But they both have USB and USB-C's plugs on them, as you can see. And there's also storage underneath that bunk, huge storage. Bathroom is very spacious, again, given the size of the coach. Good counter space. Very good sized shower, really big. Regular toilet. Let's see, what do we got? No heating vents on the floor. This panel here, I think, is for access for the storage. Yeah, see that? Nice access from the inside. And here is the slide and power awning. This is what makes this very unique. It is 81-inch tall ceilings, so it's pretty cool. Well, come down and see us, folks. RV Ready in Lake Elsinore.